Hello, it's Jesse here. Well, here it is. Just got my Harley Davidson Spring front end back from being worked on. So this is a front end for my 1940 Harley Davidson UH. As you can see here, this is an inline type, 1939 to 1945. See how it's like straight across there? This is for the big twin model motorcycle. It's a bigger neck than the 45-inch models had. Brazing work here is pretty nice and clean. Some more here. Fix this tab here. Stuff. A lot of people cut them tabs off to get rid of that front fender bobbers and stuff. So it's pretty much just like it was originally for the year brazed. Also sandblasted. Nice job. Ready to paint here. So now I'm going to get this thing painted. Nice. Pretty nice coat of extremely durable gloss black epoxy. And when that gets all finished, well, I'll work on putting it back together with the new hardware from Colony. New Parkerized springs. CUH model doesn't get a lot of chrome, so it's going to have a black springer. Parkerized springs. Cadmium spring retainers with chrome acorn nuts at the top. So make it look like it did when the factory did it. Got some factory photos. It's kind of been helping me along the way here with this 1940 UH project. Well, thanks for watching, and we'll see you soon.